Hi there, Vampire Academy fans. I'm Ashley Haynes, your executive producer for Vampire Academy, the officially unofficial fan series. I just got out of, about an hour ago, got out of my pre-production meeting with my creative team and all the department heads. It was actually a really exciting, very productive meeting. So productive that we've got scheduling done so much that we get to start casting by the end of the week. We're sending out casting notices tomorrow, so keep an eye out for Shadowhunters. Sorry, it's Shadowhunter Days. So it's Shadowhunters Day, so there's that. So keep an eye out for Vampire Academy casting coming very, very soon. I'm so excited to get to share this with you guys. I'm so excited how well the production's going so far. We're still very early in pre-production, but we're getting so much done and getting casting done, and it's so exciting, and I can't wait to share it all with you. So, if you have any questions, make sure you send them in. I love answering you guys' questions. I love talking to you on social media. Remember to keep spreading the word. You know, the more people that find out about it, the more likely we get to keep going, maybe even get an official adaptation. So, we're going to keep going, and hopefully everything works out really well. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I can't even... It was really funny introducing the team this morning to all the social media accounts and showing them all the followers, all the people who are so excited for this series. It blew them away. They were absolutely completely surprised. So thank you very much for giving them something new to look forward to, and hopefully that'll give you something really cool to watch coming next fall. Woohoo! We're working on a release date. Stick with us as we get further through pre-production and closer to filming. I'm so excited. I will talk to you guys soon. Remember to send in your questions and everything, and I hope to get some casting news to you by the end of the month. Bye.